Imagine burning calories, strengthening your heart, and boosting your mood, all without breaking into a sweat or paying for expensive gym memberships. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it isn't. Walking, a simple yet powerful activity, is a hidden gem in the world of fitness. Just by walking for 30 minutes a day, you can burn approximately 150 calories. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular walking can work wonders for your cardiovascular and pulmonary health, keeping your heart robust and your lungs clear. Let's take a look at John's story. John, a high-powered office worker, found himself too busy for regular gym sessions. However, once he started incorporating walking into his daily routine, he noticed a significant improvement in his overall health. His mood was better, his energy levels were higher, and he was even sleeping better at night. And that, folks, is the magic of walking. It's simple, it's free, and it's incredibly beneficial. But how exactly does something as simple as walking bring about such profound health benefits? Let's delve deeper into the science behind it. Walking is like a panacea for a variety of health issues. When you walk, your heart rate increases, pumping more blood around your body. This helps to lower your blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels, both of which are key factors in cardiovascular health. But there's more. Walking also triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. These little chemicals are responsible for that feel-good sensation you get after a good stroll. And let's not forget about calories. Walking increases our metabolic rate, helping us to burn off those extra calories we might have indulged in. Take John, for example. He started walking regularly and over time, saw his health markers improve significantly. His blood pressure dropped, his mood lifted, and he managed to shed a few pounds too. So, the next time you think about skipping that walk, remember John and the incredible health transformation he achieved, one step at a time. Now you might be thinking, I want to be like John, but how do I fit walking into my busy schedule? The answer is simpler than you think. Let's start with the basics. Swap the elevator for the stairs. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Next, consider parking your car a little further away from your destination. This way, you're sneaking in a mini walk without even realizing it. Lunch breaks are a great opportunity to stretch your legs. Even a 10-minute brisk walk can do wonders for your health. And how about a post-dinner stroll around the neighborhood? It's a perfect way to unwind and aid digestion. Remember John? He started with these simple changes and now, walking has become a natural part of his day. Just like John, you too can make walking a part of your daily routine. All it takes is a little creativity and a commitment to your health. Are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier you? If John can do it, so can you. It's time to challenge yourself, and no, we're not talking about running a marathon or climbing Mount Everest. We're talking about something as simple as walking. Yes, you heard it right. Walking. Let's start small. How about a 10-minute walk every day? Doesn't sound like much, right? But that's the beauty of it. It's a small change that can make a big difference. As the days go by, challenge yourself to increase this time, maybe add an extra 5 minutes every week. And as you do this, keep a record of your progress. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. They're proof of your commitment to your health. They show that you're taking control, one step at a time. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today and start reaping the incredible health benefits of walking.